Hello, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to study, please subscribe to my channel. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of basic mechanical engineering. We'll dive into key concepts like steam properties, use of steam tables. Slide 1: Steam and its properties. Let's start with what steam actually is. Steam is the gaseous phase of water formed when water boils and absorbs sufficient heat. It is commonly used in power plants, engines, and industrial systems. Dry steam refers to steam without any suspended water droplets. It's ideal for turbines because it doesn't cause blade erosion. Wet steam is a mixture of steam and water droplets. It's less efficient and usually avoided in high-performance systems. Saturated steam exists at a specific pressure and temperature where water and steam coexist in equilibrium. Any heat added to saturated water turns it into saturated steam. Superheated steam is steam that is heated beyond its saturation temperature. It contains more energy and is ideal for doing mechanical work in turbines. Specific volume tells us how much space 1 kilogram of steam occupies. It's important in designing steam pipes and storage systems. Enthalpy, H, is the total energy content of the steam, which includes both sensible heat, raising temperature, and latent heat, phase change. Entropy, S, measures the disorder or randomness in a system. It's crucial in understanding how energy is converted in real systems. Example: in a thermal power plant, superheated steam is used in the turbine for better efficiency because it avoids condensation and has higher energy content. Slide 2: Significance and applications of steam properties. Understanding steam properties isn't just theoretical, it directly affects practical engineering decisions. In power generation, steam turns turbines which rotate generators to produce electricity. Heat transfer applications like radiators or heat exchangers use steam due to its large latent heat capacity. Mechanical work is extracted from steam in engines and piston systems. Industrial processes like paper manufacturing, food sterilization, and textile treatments depend on steam heating. Superheated steam helps increase the thermal efficiency of Rankine cycles by reducing moisture content in turbines. Steam quality affects safety and performance. Poor quality, wet, steam can lead to water hammer and damage components. Engineers use steam properties to design safe and efficient systems, avoiding overpressure or inefficiency. Energy calculations like how much heat is needed to produce a certain amount of steam require knowledge of properties like enthalpy. Example: in food canning, high-pressure steam ensures uniform and fast heat treatment for sterilization. Slide 3: Introduction to steam tables. To find the values of enthalpy, entropy, and volume of steam at different conditions, we use steam tables. Steam tables are reference charts that give steam property values at various pressures and temperatures. Two main types: the saturated steam table, used when steam is at boiling point, and the superheated steam table, used when steam is heated beyond boiling. Values listed include HF, sensible heat of water, kilojoule per kilogram. HFG, latent heat of vaporization, kilojoule per kilogram. Hg, total enthalpy of saturated steam, HF plus HFG. Vf, Vg, specific volume of water and steam respectively, cubic meter per kilogram. SF, SFG, Sg, entropies corresponding to water, phase change, and steam. Example: at 1 bar pressure, HF equals 419 kilojoules per kilogram water. HFG equals 2257 kilojoules per kilogram latent heat. Hg equals 2676 kilojoules per kilogram total enthalpy of saturated steam. These values are vital for energy balance calculations in boilers, condensers, and turbines. Slide 4: How to use steam tables. Using steam tables becomes very straightforward if you follow a logical process. Identify the known values, usually, pressure or temperature is given. If you are at saturation point, use the saturated steam table. If temperature is above boiling, use the superheated steam table. Use the values to find enthalpy for heat input-output, entropy for system disorder, specific volume for system design. In many cases, you'll be dealing with wet steam. Then, you'll need to use the dryness fraction X to calculate actual enthalpy. H equals HF plus X times HFG. If the steam is superheated, use the superheated table directly. Always check unit consistency, don't mix Kj and J, or degree C and K. Use these values in formulas like Q equals M times H2H1, where Q is the heat added or removed, M is mass flow, and H is enthalpy. Example: find enthalpy of steam at 2 bars with 0.8 dryness. From table, HF equals 504.7, HFG equals 2201.9. H equals 504.7 plus 0.8 times 2201.9 equals approx. 2265 kJ per kilogram. This calculation tells you how much energy is carried by each kilogram of steam in that condition.